Hello, my name is RAYHAN and I want to presentation about sociolinguistics project. Table of content. Topic 1, Order mixing. Topic 2, dialect. Order mixing. Theory of order mixing. Bilingual can affect how the speakers of language follow the rules of language grammar in communication, and it also can affect the process of regulating language variations for communication, one of which is codemixing. Theory of codemixing. Warthog 26. Codemixing occurs when the speakers use both language together to the range that they change from one language to the other in the course of a single statement. Musical theory of codemixing. Remixing means the lexical items, grammatical features of two different languages are combined in a single sentence. Theory of codemixing. Vijana 26. Codemixing is the practice of mixing two or more languages by fusing one language with another. Theory of codemixing. Codemixing usually Further mixing is found in forms of words, clause, verse, or sentence. The phenomena of code mixing usually happens while people communicate oral even in written. The types of code mixing, consequent causal, can be classified into three main types: insertion, word or phrase, alternation, laws, and congruent lexicalization. Dialect. The types of code mixing. 1. Insertion. Insertion is the process of incorporating vocabulary or entire constituents from one language into the structure of the other. 2. Alternation. Alternation refers to the situation in which the two languages are divided into the grammatical structures that might be lexically by the elements of whichever language. The types of codemixing. 3. Congruent lexicalization. In the process of congruent lexicalization, there is a linear and structure equivalence on the synthetic level between the two languages. Forms of the codemixing, according to Suito, cited by Agu 2017. Codemixing is divided into 6 forms based on its structure. A. Word insertion. B. Verse insertion. C. Hybrid insertion. D. Repetition insertion. E. Idiom insertion. And N. Clause insertion. Reasons of code mixing according in 26. There are some reasons and motivation for using code mixing. Participant pros and relationship, situational factors, message intrinsic factors, or language attitude, dominance, and security. Dialect, theory of dialect. Dialect is one of the important aspects in language and communication, so that it will also influence the language teaching process, especially on the students' pronunciation, speaking ability. Theory of dialect, Francis, 2022. Dialect are the varieties of language used by different speakers who are separated by geographic or social boundaries. Theory of dialect, Peter and Stockwell, 2011. The representation of non-standard and regional accent and dialect in literary fiction has been framed mainly sociolinguistically and treated as an index of authenticity within an account characterization. Dialect refers to the structural contents of speakers' language, the particular words used, characteristic, synthetic construction, certain ways of expressing negative, plurals, tense, and so on. The kinds of dialect. 1. Regional dialect. Regional dialect is geographically based. It means that a dialect that differs because of geographical areas of uh, 2. Social dialect. A sociolect or social dialect is a variety of language associated with a group social. It's a social group such as socio-economic class and ethnic group, such the term ethnologue, and age group, etc. The reasons of dialect. Throughout the world, people have developed thousands of languages. Each language has its own diversity in terms of dialect development in the language. Dialect to build a sense of unity and belonging with the people around them. Two dialects can also give people a sense of identity. Through dialect, two main reasons, geographical variations and social variations. So, thank you very much.